Hello, my dear students. I Rahul Mishra, and I will give you some general introduction of periodic table into this video lecture. So listen, we all know that this is long form of periodic table. So we all know that long form of periodic table, as we have earlier discussed it, this periodic table contain 7 periods. We all know that periods are horizontal rows. Periods are horizontal rows. How many periods are present in this periodic table? So 7 horizontal rows or 7 periods are present into long form of periodic table. This is first period, contain two element, hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium. So listen. So first period contain hydrogen and helium. Similarly, this is second period, this is third period, this is fourth period, this is fifth period, this is sixth period, this is seventh period. Now listen, these are 7 periods. So what are period? Periods are horizontal rows. Now we talk about groups. So what are group? So groups are vertical columns. Groups are vertical columns. So all these are called as groups. So how many groups are present? So there are 18 groups. There are 18 groups. So 1 to 18. So total 18 groups are present in the long form of periodic table. Now this periodic table is classified into 4 blocks. This periodic table is classified into 4 blocks. So listen here. This block is called as S block. This block is called as S block and it contains first and second group. S block contains first group and second group. Now in right corner there is P block. So this is P block. This is P block. So P block contain 13th group to 18th group. It means P block contain 13 to 18 group. It means we can say P block contain 13 group, 14 group, 15 group, 16 group, 17 group and 18 group. This is called as P block. So during first year in 11th class we have already discussed two groups of P block. This is boron family and carbon family, and in the class 12 syllabus we will study four groups, four other groups, 15 group, 16 group, 17 group and 18th group. So all these four groups are present in your syllabus and these are of P block because boron and carbon family are 13 and 14 group we have already discussed in class 11. So listen, these four groups we will discuss in P block chapter. Now listen here. In between S block, this is S block, contain two groups, first and second, and P block, it means S block और P block के बीच में कौन सा block आता है? This block is called as D block. This block is called as D block. So we have earlier discussed it, D block, and we all know that this D block contain four series. This D block contain four series. So listen, D block contain four series. First is 3D series, second is 4D series, third is 5D series, and fourth is 4D series, 6D series, sorry. So 3D series, 4D series, 5D series and 6D series. So listen, D block elements are classified into four series. This is 3D series from scandium to zinc. This is 4D series from yttrium to cadmium. Now this is 5D series from element having atomic number 57 to atomic number 80 mercury, and this is 6D series from element having atomic number 89 to atomic number 112. It is copernicium. This is 6D series. So listen here, D block contain four series and all the D block elements are called as transition element. It means the elements present in this green box, all the elements are called as transition or D block element, and this D block element contain four series: 3D series, 4D series, 5D series and 6D series. So all these transition elements are metal, so these are also called as transition metals. So listen, these elements are the elements present in D block. All the elements present in D block are called as D block element, or we can say they are called as transition elements also. Now we can see the elements from 57 to 71 and 89 to 103. These 14 and these 14 elements are placed below in the periodic table from 57 to 71 and 89 to 103 in the form of two series. These series are called as lanthanide and actinide series respectively. Now listen here, this series is present in F block, so D block is present in your syllabus, and then F block is also present in your syllabus. So listen, we have discussed D block elements and In the next video lecture, we will discuss F block elements. So F block elements are classified into two series. First series is called as lanthanide series. This series is called as lanthanide series, and this series is called as actinide series. So listen, lanthanide series is also called as 4F series. Lanthanide series is also called as 4F series, and actinide series is also called as 5F series. 5F series. So lanthanide series contain the elements from 58 Ce to 71 Lu. इट मीन्स जो लैंथेनाइड सीरीज है उसमें कहाँ से कहाँ तक एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट है, 58 सीरियम से 58 Ce to 71 Lu. Lu is called as lutetium. And listen, in case of 5F series, this is 5F series, it contains elements from 59, sorry, it contains element from 90 to 103 Lr. Lr is called as Lawrencium. These series elements are called as actinide series element, or we can say they are called as 5F series elements also. Lanthanide series elements are called as 4F series elements also. These elements are 4F series elements. So listen, in next video lecture we will discuss about F block of periodic table, as we have earlier discussed about D block. So this is D block, जिसको हम पहले ही पढ़ चुके हैं, और अब हम लोग बात करेंगे अगले वीडियो लेक्चर में F block की. Now listen, so D block elements are divided into 4 series. First series is called as 3D, second 4D, third 5D, and fourth 6D series. So all these series contain 10 elements. For example, 3D series contain total 10 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means each series contain 10 elements. Similarly, 3D contain 10, 4D also contain 10, 5D also contain 10, and 6D also contain 10 elements. Now similarly, this La is present here and this Ac is present here. So La and Ac are not counted in lanthanide and actinide series respectively. So elements after lanthanum, 14 elements are called as lanthanide series element, and element after actinum, these 14 elements are called as actinide series elements. So listen, we all know that S block contain two group. This is first group, this is second group. First group is also called as first A. Second group is also called as second A. So first group contain alkali metal. Second group contain alkaline earth metals. And all these are metals. All these are metals. So listen, in right side P block is present. So all these diagonal element and these three elements are metallide. In case of p block, all the dark green elements are metals and all the light gray elements are non-metals. It means we can say simply p block contain metal, non-metal and metallide. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine are also non-metal. Astatine is radioactive. And listen, in case of a teen group, there is inert gas, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So listen, this is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So this is 18th group or 0th group. 18th group or 0th group of periodic table. This is 0th group of periodic table, and this group contain all the inert gases. Now listen. Now in